My name is Alton. I'm a hold shaper, I'm a route setter, I'm a photographer and a rock climber from northern Colorado. And today I'm here to talk to you about my newest hold set from Trango, the Analogs. The main concept and thought that I had while I was shaping the Analog line was to create a really universal hold set that was from the ground up built for route setters and equipped for modern day route setting and modern day walls. And I really wanted to create a economical and quite literally positive hold set that can really be used in a variety of ways, not specific to comps, but day in and day out in normal everyday route setting. So throughout the process of shaping these, I really wasn't thinking about one specific angle, whether it be vertical or a roof or overhanging terrain, but really all of it. Being able to move through all of that terrain with the same hold style and the same hold set, but then also incorporate this with other things and more showpiece and showcase style holds. It all plays well together, especially when combined with other consistent hold styles and hold sets that are maybe a little bit flashier than these, but this is the in-between stuff to get you to those crescendo sequences and holds. There is no extra surface or extra material than what is truly needed for the hold. So there isn't a usable surface area and then a bunch more footprint of the hold. What's here is totally necessary for the functionality and the usable surface of the hold. And a big reason for that is honestly for pricing. You know, you're not paying for a small crimp, but you're actually paying for a jug size hold. You know, everything here is for pricing, and it is for the hold buyers to get the biggest bang for your buck ultimately, and in terms of quantity. For a very simple hold set, there's actually kind of a lot going on. For one, everything is going to be really comfortable. So all the edge radiuses, whether it's crimps, the jibs, even the jugs, they're all very comfortable. They're rounded, but not to like an unusable way. They're still in cut when they need to be, and other things are flat as well. And then there's certain holds that have double in cuts, certain holds that are flatter and a little bit spillier. But a few other key components are just kind of in some of the things that you see and you don't see. I really analyzed and scrutinized texture for a long time, and I wanted these holds to, right out of the gate, not be like overly grippy that they're gonna tear your hands up, but I wanted them to retain some texture in the long run. A lot of these holds are gonna get used as feet, you know, at the start of routes, and there's gonna be a lot of wear that's gonna occur on these. And so having a really good base texture that is started in the molding process was really important to me. Second to that are attachment points. It's not just center bolt holes and everything anymore. And while we're certainly using T-nuts for a lot of stuff, we're often set screwing and then as well just jibbing stuff on. So everything is ready to go all the way to like some of our bigger holds. And to that regard, you know, the torque of things is really important. We're oftentimes putting these on volumes now and jumping to them, which creates an awful lot of force and torque. And so when we're just blasting holes into these things with our countersinks, we're oftentimes not getting the full structural integrity. And so by building it with that thought in mind, we're able to mold it with those reinforcement points already ready to go. And so with this construction, it's already light years stronger than willy-nilly putting holds in some big jugs. This initial 5 sets is just the beginning of an entire line that is really created to provide you with something that you're looking for in those moments when you can't find it elsewhere.